Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadli bin Fadullah. So today I would like to present to you about my LAB1 exercise or activity. So I get this data, which is bicycle inventory. Basically, this LAB1 is covering for chapter 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's move to question 1, A. So this for the question A, I use the simple function, which is for A1, min, max for the largest amount, total amount, I use sum, number of bicycle, I use count, average inventory, I use average formula, numbers, I use count if, number of supplier bicycle. For children, I use count if also with children filter. So next for 1B, for classifying the selling price is more than 150, I classify as expensive. So I use the formula of if with criteria expensive and cheaper. So the selling price more than 150, it become expensive. The selling price with less than 150 will become cheaper. So next we go to 1C. So I use the VLOOKUP function for product category, product name, and supplier. So the three questions I use the same function, which is VLOOKUP. Next for question 2, for pivot table, I use supplier as a filter, and at the rows I include the product category and product name, while the values I took here sum of quantity on hand. So next we go to question 3. 3A, I use mean formula, average formula for mean, variance formula for variance, standard deviation for standard deviation, and coefficient variation. I use standard deviation over average of the data and times 100. So this is the mean, variance, standard deviation, and coefficient variation for purchase cost and selling price. And I get this comment for the answer in here. So we go to question C. I get this answer with a formula of skew and kurtosis for both variable. And here is the comment. Next, we go to the Z-score. I use this formula for Z-score manual. The first data minus the means and over the standard deviation. For the Z-score formula, I use standardized function, which is in the bracket, I include the first data, the mean, and standard deviation. So next, I'm plotting the graph with Z-score formula data. Next, we go to descriptive statistical. I use the data analysis function in Excel to do the mean, standard deviation, range, and this is the answer. So for that, thank you.